Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essential Python libraries that power modern machine learning. From facial recognition to voice assistants, these tools work behind the scenes in your favorite apps. Let's unravel how each library fits into the AI landscape and supports developers in building smarter, more intuitive technologies you use every day. Python's popularity in artificial intelligence stems from its rich ecosystem of specialized libraries. These libraries act like power tools for developers, handling complex data, statistics, and visualizations with minimal code. With just a few lines, you can access industry-grade algorithms that once took months to implement by hand, opening doors for rapid. Let's start with NumPy, the foundation for numerical computing in Python. NumPy makes handling large arrays and mathematical operations lightning fast. Think of it as the mathematical engine driving data analysis and machine learning. Its optimized performance enables other libraries to process massive datasets, powering AI models with precision and speed. Next, Pandas simplifies the way programmers manipulate and analyze structured data, like spreadsheets and databases. Pandas lets you clean, filter, and explore massive datasets with familiar commands, speeding up project timelines and making data science accessible. With Pandas, developers spend less time wrangling data and more time uncovering powerful patterns and insights. Matplotlib and Seaborn are Python's chief visualization libraries, turning lines of code into stunning graphs and charts. These tools make it effortless to spot correlations, trends, and anomalies in data, key to understanding patterns and guiding machine learning decisions. Together, they transform overwhelming numbers into clear, compelling visuals every developer can Scikit-learn is a staple for classical machine learning, offering accessible functions for regression, classification, clustering, and more. Its user-friendly syntax makes experimenting with advanced algorithms almost effortless, even for beginners. By wrapping complex techniques in simple commands, Scikit-learn empowers developers to prototype and evaluate ideas for deep learning. PyTorch and TensorFlow lead the way, allowing developers to build complex neural networks powering today's smartest AI. PyTorch's intuitive interface and flexibility have made it a favorite for researchers and professionals alike. With these libraries, modeling image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding becomes practical and scale. Other libraries, like Keras, LightGBM, and XGBoost, offer specialized solutions for building deep models or boosting predictive accuracy. Each brings unique strengths to the table, letting developers mix and match according to project needs. This diversity helps Python stay at the forefront of machine learning innovation, adapting quickly as AI challenges evolve. All these libraries share a common goal: transforming raw information into usable knowledge, fast and efficiently. Through open-source collaboration and constant refinement, they enable breakthroughs in everything from healthcare diagnostics to personalized recommendations. As the possibilities grow, knowing the right library for the job empowers you to turn ideas into powerful. Thanks for joining our overview of the key Python libraries fueling machine learning. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more clear, hands-on tech tutorials and AI insights. With the right tools and a curious mindset, anyone can help shape the future of smarter, more connected technology.